Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 53. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Princess Baiman, she was still negotiating. I want to use this shade to seal the consolidate the status of the Nine Kings as their true concubine. I also need to use this imperial seal to prove myself. Princess Baiman, everything, she really got it now. Wait until the Nine Kings rise to heaven. How to prove your legitimacy is going to need this. Oh, Princess Baiman, she is really getting smarter. She can really think in advance. Princess Baiman, after the Nine Prince ascend to the throne, we can turn him to the living dead. Oh, Princess Baiman. Turns out she can really tough as this. Well, she was pertaining to the poison that's been General Sharon known before, so she's going to use that on the Nine Kings. I see. No matter what the masters want to do. Well, this girl, is she really going to obey Princess Baiman? Saku will always follow you. So this girl will pretend in the future that she is Princess Baiman. Oh, Princess Baiman. She really plotting this so she can able to escape quickly when the time comes. Cause she know to herself that what will be her end. That's why she's like making a double of her. It's them, those two foreign women. The two of them turn around. Well, they will be caught. They need to run faster. The servant boy, who I knocked unconscious, must have been discovered by the masters. No, she's blocking herself so she can able to protect Baiman. Split up and meet up outside. Princess Baiman told her, well, they really need to rush through, so they really can cut them. If you don't see me after an incense sticks of the time, take this to find General Sharon. Girl accepted the seal. Well, let's hope. She is really a trusted person. Princess Baiman, and she will never betray Princess Baiman. Now, Princess Baiman, she was rushing to be able to escape from the person who's trying to pursue her. Well, let's see. There she is. Get her. So, she is almost getting caught. They really came too close to her. Princess Baiman, she should really run fast. Now, they're really coming closer to her. So that she really cannot be caught. The front yard was crowded with people. Let's go before the hospital and can be mixed out. So, it was her plan to mix out with people. But of course, right now, she really need to hide first. The door is right here. Princess Baiman, now, she's going to open the door. Well, let's hope no one's gonna see her. Also, she can able to escape to the person who's going after her. Well, finally, she pushed the door open. It seems that the lock is broken, and she could already enter. Princess Baiman, she seems to be surprised. Seeing the inside, green silk is motionless. The door is black. She really can enter. Turns out the door is black. It was not opening. Someone was grabbing her from the back. Well, she was covering her mouth so she can able to speak or scream. Well, who could it be? Who's the person behind her? This moment, well, it seems that he's grabbing her afar so she cannot be caught. Now, she seems to be getting curious. Still, her face has been covering up the person who's holding her up. Now, the pursuer, they're going, but they're going to miss her. Where have the people go? Let's go look for it over there. Now, finally, the person who's following her passed by and escaped freely. It turns out, when she looked back, it was General Sharon. Princess Baiman calling General Sharon. Well, she knows that General Sharon, it seems to be different. It's been a long time since the two of them seeing each other. Well, Princess Baiman, it's not so good. Well, what could it be? General Sharon, her face, it was really too thin right now. Princess Baiman, did you really notice her? General Sharon right now, she seems to be changed slightly. How could it be so painful? Princess Baiman is asking General Sharon. Well, Probably she got really curious. Why suddenly Chana Sharong told her that it was really painful. Why I need to hold back my desire. So it turns out she was really restraining herself, saying Baiman at this moment. Well, maybe Chana Sharong. She might really happy for this. How did he lose so much? Princess Paimang told Chana Sharong. Sharong, you are sick too. Now, Princess Paiman, she looks really concerned about General Sharong. Now, she was staring on her face. Why don't you eliminate the waiter? Knock him out. This can cut the grass and roots. Why do you put yourself in danger? General Sharong said to Princess Paiman. Well, probably, Princess Paiman, she is really not thinking well about the possibility and consequence of the thing what she done. Sharong cares about this, only this. Princess Paiman, did you see that? General Sharong only care about these trivial things. Well, of course, she's really care for her, especially she's been looking for her for so long. Now, the two of them finally meet. Of course, it's a little bit awkward, that's why she seems to be indifferent. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. She and the fast life in this way. I will not easily cross the line in the heart. Well, at this moment, since the two of them, what will happen to them in the future? Right now, they've really been planning. Nurse Sharon said, I can't control the desire to eliminate them. My love for her is also, it cannot be measured. I'll send you out of the house. General Sharon said to Princess Paiman. Well now, Princess Paiman go back to her. Well, master, please, don't smash it. Someone was getting angry inside. Could it be that this person is the one who's searching for Princess Paiman, and it really makes sense. Now, the person, she seems to be shivering. Well, of course, maybe. Now, let's see what's gonna happen between Sharo and Princess Paiman. It was the young Yuxing who led the people and also investigating the tips. And as Sharo said to her, well, for now, it is really getting tricky, right? Right now, the first is here. He is really losing his patience. Look at him. He got really angry. Well, this is not good. So, they can really stop this. So no one's gonna get hurt. The man said, you're so excited. This person named Yang Yuxing, and he was direct descendant of the Yang family. Must be something fishy about this fight. Take it back and check it out. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!